Hello everybody, we're going to do Floral Burst. Nobody has a video on this yet. It starts with a Rangoli pattern grid, which is this grid that does, you know, the circle grid. So there's a circle here, there's one there, there's one here, and it's in 12 parts. This particular one. It's really kind of hard to see on this particular step out, but this would be your pencil grid. So the first thing you do is do these kind of scoops into those 12 spikes, and then here you're going to do a 6. You're going to do every other one. You're going to basically here where there's a spike, you're going to start there, you're going to come up and around, we're going to kind of get to the peak here where the second one is, and then go down here. Okay, so every other one you're going to have more of a daisy-like floral thing. And then you can go ahead and make the middle part. And then this step out has you putting this part, the lines here, and then continuing with this stripey because it's a floral burst, right? So it's supposed to look like this. The variations, there's variations. And the challenge word today is grow. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use this sort of at the center or the middle and do something growing outward from that. A little bit more than what the samples here show. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to start with the basic pattern in the middle. So I have a sort of a medium-sized piece of paper that I'm going to use today, and I'm going to get myself a grid penciled in here. My paper isn't quite 100% square, but that's okay. It's close. So I'm just going to find the middle by doing myself a little X. Then I'm going to use my Helix circle maker to make my circles. I'm going to stick this, I need to stand up so I can see. I need that to be right there. Oops, I should put it on a 0. I should start it at 0. Come on. Go straight. Sometimes it don't want to go straight. I'm having a hard time seeing my pencil line. I didn't do it dark enough. Come on. Okay, I need to make that just slightly darker. I just didn't make it dark enough. I can't see it through my thing. Let's try again. Okay. There we go. Now I can see my line. About right. Okay. So I need to divide it in 12, which means I've got the 2 going here, so I need 2 more in the middle at 30 degrees each, and that should do 3. That should get me that should give me 12 equal pie shapes. And then I need to make myself some sizes here. I'm not going to go all the way out because, well, maybe I will. Just because, oh, my paper moved. Dang it. Don't like when that happens. Because now I'm going to be all discombobulated. Okay, like I said. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. What the heck? See, this is the part that you guys need to see, that it does happen. Okay. Let's do about here. And here. Just do it about here. That's not wanting to turn. Sometimes it turns better than others. And then I'm going to start with, I'm not going to draw this middle one. It's just going to be kind of free form. Be about this size. Close enough. I like that. Alright, that'll work. So I'm going to start with drawing this spike thing here, and then I'm going to grow outward to here with whatever I end up doing. And I made that a lot darker than normally would. You guys can really see it. So let's do our spikies. So I'm going to go down to there. That's pretty low. I think I went too far. So I'm going to just kind of eyeball it here. Most important thing is to have yourself into 12 sections. There's my 12 sections. Good enough. And then I want my sort of flowery shape. I'm going to use that as a good gauge as to where I want the top of that flowery shape. So I want to go from here and up and to about there. So I'm going to do like that. Something like that. And then these can go to the middle. Which is what the sample shows. What the step out shows is to do this. Like that. Right? And then the next step is to do this. And do these sticky out bits. Like that. And then in between those to do 3, looks like 3. I think I need more. I'll do 4. Make ourselves a starbursty thing. What's it called again? Floral Burst. Makes sense. All the way around like this. Like that. That's basic. That's the basic shape right there. And then you can embellish as you wish. And since the prompt is grow, I am definitely going to do that. I think I'm going to I think I'm going to add a middle in each of these. Might not be right in the middle, but I'm going to just kind of guess. Something like this. And then I'm going to do another set of spiky bits. I'm going to start here. I'm just going to do them here, I think. Something like this. Like that. I like that. I think I want to do some kind of petal like this. I want to repeat the shapes, you know. That's working. And then let's do this. I like how it's turning out. Because I picked a larger piece of paper and we're expanding the pattern, it's going to be a little bit longer drawing than I had originally anticipated, but that's okay. Okay, now I can erase and I can embellish some more if I want to, or color, or shade. Get rid of all those guidelines. See, that's why I don't want to draw heavy, so that I can use my kneaded eraser and get rid of those lines without causing eraser schmutz. I think I want to color this dark in here. Like that. Did I go far enough with that one? I don't think so. Okay. And then I think I want to do that here too. Like that. Bit of shading, bit of coloring, bit of, this one's called Floral Burst and Grow. And then I want to do a little shading. Let's get my pencil. I want to shade here. I'm going to shade here. Here. See what that does first. Blendy, blendy, blendy. Start with this. Okay, and then this way. Okay. One side of that one. Give it a little dimension. Like that. And some highlights with the white pencil. and do that whole thing. I wasn't going to, but now I think I am. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. Something like that. Okay, and a little on here. Am I done? Is she finished? I think she's finished. She wants a little more. Just want a little something coming out of here. So something like this. Like that. That's better. I wanted it more bursty and more highlighty. I like that. Okay, now I'm happy, and now she's done. All right, you guys have a great day. I will be back on the next video, which is called Fireworks Swirl, which was meant to be the one that you would have seen on New Year's Eve if you were drawing along in the daily patterns in December. But of course, you know, you get them late. And yeah, it should be a fun one to try. And it'll be the last one I draw personally in the month of December, because I am now drawing in December. It's almost Christmas Day for me, and you will see this a month from now. So yeah, I don't mind being a month behind. It actually means that I'm a month ahead. So I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for somebody today. Let's make 2020 a much better year than 2019 ever was, because we're nicer to each other. That's the key. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.